Hello guys! Today I will show you how to get 100 score in Google Page Insight. If you like the video, remember about thumb up and remember about subscribing our channel if you didn't do it yet, and turn on notifications so you will see more videos. Hi guys! Now I will tell you what we will do today in more details. Today we will focus on move our whole blogging website that was on the WordPress. If you have another blog platform, you can use this very similar method, just you will need to use different exporter. So we will move it to blazing fast, accelerate mobile page, static Hugo, and we will host it on Amazon S3. So our website will be crazy fast. It will be super fast. Loading will be like a half second, and we've got 100 points score of the page. So it's a really good result. Our page has like this lighting icons. And we used Cloudflare as a free CDN that is really good for security and for the speed. Are you ready to start? Let's go!
As the first step, we need to clone WordPress to Hugo exporter. We need to clone it to our W content plugins. As we can see, it's here. Next, we need to go into the directory . Here we have two files. We will use Hugo export CLI PHP. You need to remember to use the PHP that you use for start your server. I have it on MAMP, so I have alias for MAMP PHP. Now we need to wait a bit until it will pack. It's about 150 or 200 mega. And now it looks like it's ready. Now we can install Hugo. On macOS I will use Homebrew. On Linux you can use Homebrew as well. On Windows you can use Chocolatey or Scoop. If you need like all of the commands there in the blog post, that I added link into the movie description. Next, if we have the installed Hugo, we can create the new page. We will name it Hugo New Site Fast Page. It's fine, the page is ready. And we can start server. Now it will be totally blank page, but if we will add some data, we will have like something visible. So you can see there is nothing. So now we can select the theme for Hugo. I would go with Amperage. I tested it. Looks kind of nice. I like the design and it's on AMP. It's super fast, but as you can see there are tons of different ones. For some of them you will need to implement AMP, for some it's already implemented, but most of them will be really fast anyway. Even if not 100, but you'll decide just to take design, they will be still really fast. Templates for Hugo we are installing by cloning it from the Git repository. We can go into our fast page, next themes, and next we need to use Git clone. As you can see, we have theme inside. And now we can start setting it up. With this theme is actually really easy because here is example site that you can use for you. You can take all of the stuff and move it to the root of the folder. It will replace your config with own. Let's test it now. Yes, now we have posts. Now we can go into the backup, take any of the posts just to show you how to config all of them. Let's imagine this one will be good, it's our post from our blog, and we will copy it to the new folder in content posts. You can use another one, but posts is really clear, so always you will know where is your content. Okay, we have it in posts. And now we will need to do a few changes. One more thing that we really need is to take all of the W content and in the root folder assets with this template we will have main image of the featured image of the posts, and in the static folder we will need to use the files for article body posts. So it will be good if you will delete from the assets directory all the posts that are not related to main image but they are body posts, or just move them to the static. And here I will show you method how you can change all of the images, because if you have 100, 200, 1000 posts you will not do it manually. You need to set up it as this format. So you need to use Visual Studio Code and method replace for all of the posts. I added actually too many spaces. It looks fine, and here you will need to replace few more things like delete tags and change categories for tags. Of course, if you have too many posts, everyone has tags, and you don't want to do it manually, you can modify template to take categories as tags on the Hugo, because on Hugo tags are something like categories. Now we need to fix author, and actually it would be good to clear the code, but Hugo will render the code good, but I don't like this span s1 and this .p1. I would recommend to delete that so you will not render it. Okay, we have our post. Description is too long, I think, but we could fix it. As you can see, it's here. Everything works kind of nice. You can format this .p1. Just delete that on every post. Yeah, it looks fine. Okay, now we will do a build of the application. It will be generated in public and we will upload it to S3. And today I will not show you how to configure Amazon Web S3 with Cloudflare to make it as a static web hosting. It will be part of the next episode, but today we will upload the builded website into the configured Amazon S3. Let's take a look. I've created a bucket fastpage.com, and here we need to take all of the public and upload here. What is important, you need to set up is as a public. It's our other web address. Yes, it looks like we have our page. Okay, and now we can test the performance. Let's wait a second. It's 100 points. It's super fast. Congratulations!
Congratulations! Now you know how to do super fast, super secure and cheap host website. I hope now your SEO will go much higher and you will benefit a lot. Don't forget to give us your results if you have like 100 points or 99, and after some time don't forget to send us message or comment and show us how your SEO boosted. If you like the video, give us thumbs up. If you don't subscribe our channel yet, please do it right now so you will see new tutorials, and turn on notifications here on this ring bell so you will see immediately new videos and you will have chance to do it as a first. And what is more important, in the next episode on the performance, I will show you step by step how to configure Amazon S3 with Cloudflare to make it a super secure, fast and almost free hosting. I'm super excited to show you that. See you in the next video. Bye!